What's up, YouTube? Big John. Just doing a quick shout out video to my buddy Todd. He sent me a little package, a little goodie bag. Gave me some threaded rod ends, two pieces of nice carbon fiber tube, so I could cut my other Baja roll cage and take the silver ones off since it's already black. He 3D printed me some 1/4-inch socket rails so I could hook up to my little linkable cables from my rolling tool bench. And also bought some nice carabiners, nice Amazon deal. He also hooked me up with the scan disc adapter for my card reader. Some easier plug and play on the Osmo. Here's my USB situation. But just kind of having a good day off here. Well, that's just a quick video. Thanks again, Todd, Rcohio, hooking a brother up. Here's my other stuff from Hot Rod, but all right, that's it for this one. Just a quick one.